Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for always tuning in, share and like my video guys. Thank you so much. So guys, let's see. You see them PMP, them aspiring MP, PMP people want become MP, the caretaker of a certain constituency. Steve Mcgregor me attack. Yeah, the ex-police, the retired police, Steve Mcgregor me attack. Right? One thing me that want ask Jamaica Constabulary Force leader. Me know say in every organization you have people who have PMP and labor rights. We know that. People have them different views, them opinion, and them have a right to choose. Everybody have a right to exercise their constitutional right and vote for whatever party they want to vote for. Vote for who they want to vote for. Everybody have that right. You have the right to liberate, the right to PMP. But what I'm saying, I see an article where Steve Mcgregor were on a political platform. I was saying that the police is going to support them big in this election, meaning that the police is going to support the PMP big in this election, according to Steve Mcgregor. So Steve Mcgregor say he's claiming that the police support is going to be big for the PMP this election, because and they don't take no bribe or anything like that. So he's saying that basically he's saying that Jamaica Labour Party bribe people to vote for them, and he must say the police them are going to support the PMP big in the election. So gentle people, yard and abroad, if everybody know where the constabulary force is coming from, I cannot speak for in the 80s, the 90s or early 2000s because me don't know about the 90s and them part, but I have knowledge about the force from Bruce Golden time till especially from Andrew takeover from 2016, and from them time I started follow politics. From 2016 more get more knowledge about politics and start get into politics more and start to understand the politics. Because me a jump labor from Bruce Golden time. One time I picked me a jump labor, right? Because I see parents I jump labor because them switch from PMP and vote with Bruce Golden for the first time. First time they vote for labor, so them switch from them time because my people them they are PMP and a Bruce, but them switch. So you know, from them time they a pick me a group me a ball for shower. And then I go high school, me a ball for shower. Until me get to understand the politics. When Andrew in 2016, me get to understand the politics more. And when Andrew was on the campaign trail and he made the statement say, now all Jamaicans for sleep when them do wide open. That's the way I'm going to take down crime. Alright? But little do Andrew know that the police force were in a deplorable condition. Little do Andrew never knows that the police force has little to no resource to fight crime. Andrew never knows say the Jamaica Constabulary Force run down. Poor Andrew never knows say the Jamaica Constabulary Force was a rundown force. They have nothing to fight crime. He never knows. So him come on the political platform, you know, election time, you'd say things. Because me feel as if Andrew didn't know them or something, they probably would have said that. Because even though Jamaica people all him ransom said that no or whatever, but crime is gradually going down significantly now. So people are giving pints of that now. Anyway, long time SSP, retired SSP, Stephen Mcgregor in the force. Himself 40 years him serve. Remember he in attach a mobile. When SSP Mcgregor that mobile, crime I am mobile. I out of control. I am mobile. And Portia seems to me like crime gone out of control, right? Because them not invest in the consular force nor the JDF. Them not invest in nothing. No investment in the force to fight crime. No, them not no good policies, no strategy or anything like that to fight crime, right? Things level coming in up and down. It kind of decreased year by year from 2016 to now. Probably 120%, 10%. You know, it was coming down, but not as always going down now. So when me hear Mcgregor say what him say on the political platform, I am wondering if I see Mcgregor was in the consular force for years. Because I know back then, you know, JCF, most people JCF, them are PMP from back then. When most of them resign, them still a PMP. And you know you have a lot of people, a lot of new people in the force. No. A lot of newcomers over the past 9 years since Angela Power and who did it before. I come from the 80s and 90s. So, enough retire, enough still in the cars, enough of them reach 65 yet. Because them still in the same way. So you have no police when I force from the early 90s, late 90s, early 2000s, late 2000s, still in the force. Same way you have a lot of young people who are in the force now who join for the past 9 years, I should say. So when the man made that speech, right, me wonder if the police them not really vote against for them best interest. Me wonder if the police them not really want to go back to the diploma condition of work in a rain come wet them, sun come join on the police station them. Deplorable police station, they not no good police that work in the condition of the station them very poor. Still not just on Panama station. Police not no vehicle. When you call police, they not no vehicle for come to your rescue. Police not no equipment for fight crime. They not have no up-to-date technology for fight crime. Nothing in the force to fight crime. The force run down completely. Run down completely. The force run down. They not no vehicle. So when this man gone pan political platform go talk about say, he might claim, hey, my head chip, you know. I want to park this in the cars, you know. I always said, all this public body, me not trust our teachers, you know. I always say that me not trust the teacher them, they will vote against them best interests. I don't care, and I always said I don't trust teachers. They're the only public sector workers, me say, I always say I don't trust them. Teachers. Never look faith in the police force than them for vote. I have a little more faith. And the police force for vote for Andrew than the teachers them for vote for Andrew, because to me the teachers more ungrateful than anybody else. My opinion that I don't care who want bash or who want say. That's just my personal opinion. I feel like I'm ungrateful than anybody else them. That every public sector workers them are the most ungrateful one. Me feel so. So now the police them wage freeze for 4 years straight on a PMP. They not getting paid for a morning. They not equipment for work with for fight crime. They not nothing at all. They never get good pay. And since Andrew come in, public sector worker I'll get the best increase ever. The biggest increase ever they ever get. All of them get. Right? And when me hear that man I go say so, me have to wonder, you know, people, guys, me have to really wonder what him really a say. Because me no feel that the police them not really vote against their best interest. Because based on what the government has done over the years by increasing their salary, equip them with the necessary equipment that they needed on a daily basis at the police station to do their work effectively. Me no feel that they really go vote against them best interest. And to always make them have the necessary technology, the necessary equipment for work. Or a strong make sure put the right policies them in place. Drop crime is down 42%. The first in over 30 years crime is going down significantly like this. The first ever. This is happening in Jamaica. Crime is going down like this. This never happened. Crime never been on the downtrending. Look at Mobile for example. Look at Mobile for example. SSP Mcgregor day in a theme time. Crime turn up on Mobile. Turn up till it buck. Mobile hot. But no one got Mobile. Look at Mobile now. Look at Mobile now. Little to no crime each month. Little to no crime in Mobile. Probably one or two people dead a month. A Mobile. Police them get good pay. Me guarantee the police them get better pay now than when people in power. So now I'm telling me say they don't want to go back to wage freeze. When I want to tell me say uno officer uno list of SSP Mcgregor. I mean I feel like say uno go vote against uno best interests right here. I don't like that man. Cause if him that Mobile and him put the help curve crime in Mobile. When I come talk, no come talk about police, I go support people. Support with PMB. We never have vehicle. We never have helmet. If we do no work. Police station them in a deplorable condition. So now I'm telling me say, we don't want to go back on a PMP to go work in a poor condition. We don't have no vehicle. We no salary freeze. We not work in a deplorable condition. You know why go back to the police station where we seal a job down for you? That you know want? Cause me sure know say salary when I get back then you want when I get no better. Me sure of that. So me don't know where chicken back Friday ago. I come talk about him a claim. And talk about bread don't make body bread. Who buy vote like a PMP? Chicken back Friday. Who buy vote like a PMP? Both party buy vote, but who buy vote like PMP? We are say. Make it make sense. PMP buy vote more labor right. Cause in local election what I did. Missy PMP have a beg PMP to vote. Have a pay PMP to vote. And then they fit up on one vote and PMP have to beg and buy out PMP to vote. You know, own support we support on for years. You know, have to beg them and a play to them and give them money to go vote because they say now I have to buy them to go vote, I have to bribe them to go vote. But where I say, I've seen it myself with my own two eyes. So now come talk about bribe your election in Mcgregor. Talk about PMP. PMP been doing that for years. PMP been doing that for years. Bribing people to vote. As I said, it happened on both political side, but PMP do it more than labor right. And it's a fact. No chicken back here buy what the police if you come vote for no PMP. Because I don't think no police for such a fool. As I say, you have labor right police and you have PMP police. But even the PMP politician can have conscience and a heart and say, no man, my party never do what this party do and vote for we. Yeah. Some of them can have conscience and heart and look at themselves and say, no man, Andrew do so good, so much good. We can't vote for PMP. Me know enough of them have conscience, but enough of them don't have conscience. Enough of conscience and enough don't have conscience. They don't care. Them not care. So in real life, if you not left all of this for uncertainty, if you not left sure for unsure, right? The government support the constabulary force 100%. The other day when JFJ marched against the government stand with the firm. The government stand up behind on firm and let you go. Support 100%. The government equip with the necessary resources. You can be able to serve and protect the country. everything. How much vehicle buy? How much money government pumping on the constabulary force there? How much billions of dollars them pump? So Mcgregor said that me and say, no man. I what this man sure about police say. Me don't think no police fi look pa PMP fi go vote for PMP. Even if you are PMP, but you set up but you don't vote. Cause me not think no police fi vote for PMP. Because PMP no good no light, I pay darkness PMP go no. PMP no support no more than that, more ordinary. PMP no good, PMP no equip no with no resource for do no work, for carry out no work effectively and daily. We never have no station for work. Cause rain come wet and sun come dry under the station. We not no vehicle for go nowhere. And this a government to buy how much vehicle and bike, helmet and everything. For them to work with and invest in the constabulary force. So they have resource and technology to work with to curb down crime. Although I know the Jamaica Police Federation, you know, me not trust them, you know, they head it to you know. Okay, me not trust them, you know. But I know enough of them young youths when the force since of lately. I know enough of them are liberate, you know, because they not with the PMP. And the PMP want them to have conscience. And see the difference between Funo party and this party. And I make chicken back. Friday come fright you know. So how we are going, you know. When chicken back Friday in the police force, in my PMP, that's why I never used to do nothing more so, you know. That's why when you know be a crime high become a PMP, you know, and PMP love this when crime high can benefit them. So you can smoke without fire. That's why him never even try to do help curb crime because him love crime and become a PMP and PMP love crime. Anything involved with the criminal PMP love, you know. So I expect better from chicken back Friday. Cause me hear chicken back Friday come talk about say he might go up on the corner in Central Kingston and cook a pot and raise with the youth them. Cook a pot and raise with the youth and can give some opportunity by Central Kingston. You can see that these type of politics no use and hold people back then for vote for PMP, you know. These eat a food thing, pan a corner and them that can give people opportunity, that can put money in people's pocket. A policy that? A program that? Or what is that? That's all on PMP you want to vote. Just a belly full. A belly full for today, not think about tomorrow, not think about no future. Just a belly full for today. But chicken back Friday. I hope Central Kingston people no vote for you. Because we know why in a parliament. We know why in a parliament. Chicken back Friday. We know why in a parliament. Chicken back Friday. We don't want you in parliament. Our Central Kingston people reject you and run out of the constituency. We don't want you in there. Especially that you, because you're ex-police. You used to go terrorize the youth them. You're not winning nothing. Anyway, people. We not see Mark Golding going to Frankfurt constituency. And when Mark Golding going to Frankfurt constituency, it look like Mark Golding he take a shot at Royal Navy before he go down there now. Make him go and put and chat foolishness. If I see the two good people, don't have Frankfurt. About 6-10 Mark Golding go down there, so I'm going to see no, I'm going to see when go down there for no traction him not getting down there. Not one traction him not getting Frankfurt people. Well, Missy Mark Golding up on political platform. Yeah, Mark Golding, you know. 3 candidates from St. Mary. So, you know how Mark Golding have St. Elizabeth and talk about St. Mary. And then you hear him say about India all over the place. For sure, say the rum, man. The rum, drink more rum. And the first political leader, Mr. go on political platform and try to pay foolish like Mark Golding. Because pay garbage. He man say, he man three MP them a go garden town. To him confused. And him bring no there. He talk about garden town. Me not like to know where garden town is. But he right still know. Because he not go garden house. Because he go garden house on the opposition side, not on the government side. So I really garden town me go fit shoot. But this man can't go on a political platform and give a good speech. I never hear Mark go and give a speech yet on a political platform. He can't command a crowd and make a crowd say yes. He always sound like a drunkard. I know me can't hear Mark go and come up with a good plan we want for the country. All I know. All Mark go and chat a pure garbage, pure bullshit. Nothing sensible, nothing substantial. Nothing for better the people in my life. Absolutely nothing. This man cannot come with nothing. I first opposition at the first opposition, let me say, without merit. And yet you want the Prime Minister, you can't give a good speech. You can't command a crowd. Nothing. You sound like a full-blown madman and a full-blown. You sound like a junkie on the political platform. Well, my Prime Minister, see how to talk, so I articulate himself very well and command a crowd and speak to a crowd. You can say yes. You need to take a picture of my Prime Minister book and know to talk to people, know to command a crowd and know to articulate yourself very well when you're speaking to the crowd. Because you sound like an idiot. You're like, people, time come for this, time come, and that's all, time come, that's all you have ever the people them time come. And sound stupid. You don't sound sensible at all and see how I become Prime Minister. You don't display a good leadership. Because I can't hear no policy from you. Only all over the place, all the minister, all the opposition minister of finance can attack about education now. They men Crawford and the opposition minister of education again, Julian Robinson now. If in the 18.5 years, only never make the population literate. And now make literate. Remember say the most illiterate population, I come from Manly to PJ, Remember good, no? Because look on the supporters they want to go protest. Look at them. So when they come on to literacy, I don't want to hear nothing from PMP. When they come on to literacy, I don't want to hear nothing from Uno. Huh? By the end of the first term of getting a government, every single student that live in primary and high school will be literate. Huh? Boy, master, you know always come with some pretty talk when it make no sense. In that 5 year, where did that happen? Not even a more advanced country. That not possible to happen in a 5 year period. Not even the most advanced country that not possible in a 5 year period. We just want to talk shit, one bag of shit on political platform just because we want people vote for you. I know sensible people would have sense to that possible in one term. We can't come do some impossible promises about one term. In an 18.5 years, it never happen. What will happen in one term? We no want to take Jamaica to be idiot. We no want to stop take Jamaican people for fool. Not because you have a lot of unlearned people in this population doesn't mean you can't take the one who will learn for fool. You can't take the one who will unlearn for idiot because they already are hate, because they support, But the one who will learn and have sense, have common sense and can think for this, you can't fool them. Because it's not possible to happen in one term. Not fool in one term. Huh? Always come with so impossible things. And guys, you know what this 1 billion thing PMP promise about the content creator? Me hear one of them caretaker, I think I share running again, Xavier made a sent and a little better years girl. Gone on political platform and talk about say, PMP is putting $1 million in the creator industry. So content creator like a Batman whenever black for them can benefit. For sure PMP only want take taxpayer money for give them people for the fuckery. This that they could not shit the plate, boy. We have shit up the place. A big fish, you know. Cause the person knew where she called, but all of him can get. He benefit from it. A batty man, a fish, a shit in a plate transmission, all transmission boy. The boy married to man, a shit in a plate that. And they want to take taxpayer money give shit in a plate to them out of themselves. Shit in a plate, they want to give taxpayer money. Fish say PMB want to work the country. People in Jamaica no good but themselves and them shit in a plate supporters. Hard for themselves and support alone. Then but the whole entire country. And like Andrew when I care we are if you are PG or no P. I feel everybody PMP, I don't feel everybody PMP alone. Can you might go and say if they win, what they look about them people first, look about them people. They say look about the country, not about them people, look about. Yeah. All them care about themselves, not the country. Man go no one get power for himself, not for the country, if he benefit him, my interparty friend them and nobody else. So when you hear PMP come on political platform with their arms was business, no look upon them. Because PMP have no credibility. PMP have no credibility whatsoever. Nothing. Nothing of substance PMP don't have. Nothing whatsoever they don't have to offer to Jamaican people. But lies and propaganda and bring down untrustworthiness. Because I know I don't hear a good speech from Mark Golding. I don't hear a good plan. No policy, no nothing. I remember PMP do have a good track record. Here they are no way. They have no good track record from back then till now. Nothing. So, I'll you chicken back Friday. No police don't vote against their best interests. I hope you vote against the best interest and vote back for PMB. If you can't go nowhere free again, I make station and just don't put on. Anyway guys, remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. And above all, choose Jamaica.